All right, so tech fans, how you doing? We're on screen on the computer directly, running into some problems with the old girl here. She's 2012, but at the time, this computer 32 gig of RAM and accelerated processor unit and 7.1 Dolby True Dolby surround sound. Yeah, I had everything built into this. It's not bad, but I made a lot of modifications on this here. Um, so I'm trying to clean up and try to fixing it because it's crashing. It's like crashing all the time now, and trying to figure out what the heck is wrong with it. So I come across this now. This is you're under the system slimming, and it's found a whole bunch of things. It keeps installing these things. I don't know why for some reason. So we're gonna slim down the system. This is WiseCare 8.0.4 Pro. This is the latest version they have. Uh, they had a we call it again. They had a program where you can keep the full version for free. Oh no, this is one. It's gonna be slow on this one here because oh, it did run a little faster there. Okay. Now the okay, that's it. Now with this version of WiseCare, I see they made a they added. I usually have this is Game Booster down here, but they have it built in. One item can be optimized. Which item is that? Disable sticky keys. Okay, optimize. Did I optimize it? All right. It's still saying. Okay, there's a glitch there. Now, hear what I mean. Game Booster is built in this version. Free up RAM. Turn on Windows Game Mode. Optimize. Configure delivery options. HTTP. Disable peer to peer. Switch to high performance power plant to improve gaming. Disable sticky keys. Background intelligent transfer optimize. Delivery optimize. Function discovery provider host optimize. Function discovery restore publication. Windows mobile hotspot optimize as a principal. Optimize credibility manager optimize. Window time unoptimized. Windows client online. Windows error reporting service. It's a lot of features. I don't know if I want to run this. Yeah. Some things I used to run. Let's see. Startup manager. Let's see. Sometimes stuff start up still. Okay. Uh, password. Let that run. Does this work? Privacy protector? Kind of, sort of. You can generate passwords if you want. Yeah. Oh yeah. If you need a password, it can create a password. Um, you see this registry defrag? I don't know if I can show this. It might crash the system. So what happens is the registry, and this is an old format. This has been going around since Windows first started. The registry gets fragmented, and if the registry gets fragmented, what happens is the blocks of data, there's gaps. So when you add, delete, install, there's gaps. When you first has Windows installed, it's all packed together. So say you pack up your vehicle to go on a trip. Think of it that way. But then you, as go to the hotel, you unpack, and then everything gets rearranged. That's the best thing. Things get rearranged, so it gets Windows runs slower. They don't talk about this. Nobody. So what this program does is analyzes and see if anything that needs to be packed. They don't tell you if it needs to be done. So you would run it, but I'm not running it because it shuts. This really pulls down the whole system. The whole thing goes like black and white, and then it shows you the results. So you can do disk repair. Disk optimizer, disk repair. Yeah, but let me see something. What is this again? System optimizer. Okay. Now the disk repair that defrag. They should say defrag the drives. Let me see something here. We have 261 gigs free. Half the capacity. These are storage. This is the main. These are not what came with the computer. Computer came with 1 gig. The 1 gig drive had failed. I was still on the warranty. I called them up and said, "Hey, this thing failed. Hey, we could have sent you a new drive. Well, you sent me another crap." Okay, let's run this one more time. See if anything is wrong. Now, so these are the utilities. If you have it installed, we have Game Booster installed. So memory. I used to have this. Some people claim it frees up RAM, but so does this one too. But this is continuously. You really don't need these anymore if you have a lot of RAM. If you have 32 gig and up of RAM, you really don't need it. Oops. You get a fast computer, it'll run fast. It does the jobs very quickly. All right, where are we at here? 9 minutes in. Okay. I'm doing another computer at the same time. Same problem there. Um, Input files. These files you don't need on your computer, but you would know they were there if you didn't see it. Okay, slim computer. So the Dell is much quicker. Uh, that is 4 core, 8 threads. Well, this is This is technically um, 10 cores. Back then, they represented 6 cores on the GPU and 4 cores on the CPU, 4 threads. It still works. Oh, this one clean up 1, 2, 3. Wow, very fast. We got here. Now, a lot of you will use this one, PC Manager. You have to download that from the Microsoft store. Yeah. I should get rid of these. I don't even really use these anymore. Brave and this one and this one. I don't even use it anymore. Since the Chrome and this one, pretty much all these use the core. I'm just doing another run over sweep on the system. Let's run fix. A lot of people don't want to use these kind of programs because they believe it don't do anything. But Microsoft does not clean up the system, and they do have their own cleanup program. Is this okay? And it doesn't do the same, but it's still this and this program here and this program here. They still miss something. There was a Jet Clean, but Jet Clean is very dangerous. It could corrupt files. I think it's the MUC files or MCU files. It can corrupt. Let me see. MUC or MCU files. Hold on a second. MUC, these are files on Windows, or MCU. Sometimes these get corrupted. If they get corrupted, your system is really messed up. Let's see. Microsoft Update Manifest files. Oh, they could have. Well, it's another file. Okay, so this is it. Let's see, privacy scanner. I usually run. If you run this after you come back from the browser, there is always something there. Okay, that's it. Let's see, on my other computer. Oh, okay. Let's go back on the disk optimizer. Let's see. Is this one here? Okay, that's about this. Oh, that's kind of weird. And this repair scans and repair system errors and prevent crashes. Optimizer. Oh, this is something new than what's happening. Scans and repair system errors. Okay. So now we see they have a program to repair the SSDs and look for. Well, it's not. It's looking for errors. So it's another way of running SFC. Okay, so here you can do this manually in Windows. You open up the CMD and you would run check to C, or do a delay check C colon backslash F, and then reboot the system, and it'll do it there. I'd rather do it this way than do it under here. I mean, this program is good for certain things, but no, I didn't do anything. Oh, should have run. I was gonna run optimizer. Let me run that. Let me launch that again. Got a cool background. Yeah. Let's see. Where is it? Where's the key booster? I was matching it with the specs on my other computer here. Let's see something here. Yeah, game booster on the other computer. Free to RAM. Everything is. I had Ultra RAM. I mean, it's Ultra Performance, but Microsoft removed that feature. No, no, no. Leave it like that. Okay. That's about it. Thanks for watching.